Hello everyone! In this 7th video, we are going to explore the benefits of implementing a multi-agent system solution for monitoring, control, and optimization in your energy processes. Where would you like to start?
Hi. Thank you for your clarifications. I am interested to know how this could help us to reduce energy costs and improve our efficiency.
Excellent starting point. Before talking about multi-agent systems, the first step in any optimization strategy is to perform an initial diagnosis and energy audit. This process allows us to understand how you currently consume energy, identify inefficiencies, and propose concrete improvements. For example, we review tariffs, contracts, and consumption patterns to detect opportunities. In a recent audit I implemented with a client in the industrial sector, we were able to identify energy savings of 20% by simply adjusting their ventilation systems and optimizing energy contracts.
That sounds interesting, and what role do multi-agent systems play in this?
Multi-agent systems are an advanced solution for monitoring and control. Imagine a team of intelligent agents working together. Each agent is in charge of a specific task, such as monitoring consumption in real time, controlling critical equipment, or identifying patterns of inefficiency. These systems not only collect data, but also learn and adapt over time. For example, in a project with an industrial plant, a multi-agent system was implemented to monitor the power grid. It detected peak demand and automatically adjusted equipment to reduce energy costs during peak rate hours.
Interesting. But isn't it risky to implement something so advanced without testing it first?
This is a very coherent and reasonable doubt. That is why we always recommend pilot testing. These tests allow us to evaluate the performance of the system in a controlled environment prior to full-scale deployment. In a pilot test conducted in a commercial building, for example, a hybrid renewable energy storage system was used. We were able to demonstrate a 15% savings in energy costs during the first 3 months.
I like the idea of pilot testing. But once we implement the system, how do we ensure that it continues to work well?
Crucial to this is continuous monitoring. This approach makes it possible to observe system performance in real time, detect any deviations or problems, and make adjustments immediately. It also facilitates predictive maintenance, which helps avoid unexpected failures. Additionally, with technologies such as IoT and big data, large volumes of data can be analyzed to continuously optimize performance.
That sounds ideal. However, I am concerned about how to scale this solution to all of our facilities.
Scalability is a key part of our approach. Before scaling up on a large scale, we conduct a detailed feasibility analysis. We define protocols and train staff to ensure a uniform implementation. In addition, energy storage can be integrated, which can be key to managing intermittency in renewables and ensuring stability. In one project in a European consortium, we scaled a pilot system to 20 different installations in 1 year, maintaining an average savings of 18% at each location.
This all sounds very interesting. What would be the next step if we decide to move forward?
The next step would be to perform an initial audit to assess the consumption and available documentation of the facilities to define clear objectives. Then, a customized multi-agent system could be designed for your needs, tested in a pilot installation, and finally implemented in controlled phases for the rest of the locations, ensuring continuous monitoring and improvements.
Perfect. Sounds like a well-structured plan. Let's take the next step. How should I do it?
Great. I am sure that this solution will not only optimize your processes, but will also position you as a benchmark in efficiency and sustainability within your company. If you have more questions or want to go deeper into any aspect, you can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the energy efficiency of companies.